In this video I'm going to show you how to access the scanner by opening the HP DeskJet 2700 series printer, and you can also replace the scanner in this video. The first step is to place this printer upside down. We have to remove the paper trays, so let's start with here. So there are 3 screws on the top. Just remove them one by one. And that's the third one. Next is to remove the part 2 of this tray. Remove it from this end and lift it up so it comes out. There are 2 screws here. The one is here and other one on the other side. So remove these 2. And to work with this printer, you need Phillips screwdriver T10. Now go to the upside. There are 2 more screws and we are ready to open the scanner. So if you open this section, there are 2 screws here. Remove the screw. So there is 1 screw at each end. So once they are loose, we are ready to open. The easiest is to lift it from this side, but don't lift a lot because there are connections here, so be careful, and then lift the front. You may have to move it little bit to disconnect from this section, like this. Carefully remove this one end and then the second end that is here. So we will just move it on a side and then just remove it from here. Our scanner is disconnected. We can just take it apart. So it has some hooks. You just have to push one here and lift it little bit, and then move to the side. Move this one and lift and put it underneath, and then one is here, and then lift this side. So check on the front, there is nothing there, and there are only 2 more here. So one is on this side and the other is here. So this section you can see is removable, and if you look here, that is our scanner glass. So we can see here, from here it also has a product number on this side, so it is locked from the sides, and it will also come out from here. So we just removed the scanner part of this printer, and now we can just place the new part. So I'm just going to replace it with the new one. So first we have to place it here. Now this goes from this side, so it slides in this position and it will come out here. So you will see it has came out like this. Now you will see there is a hole in the strip, so you have to place it here. For that, first place one end below the hook and then place it here, and the other end you can place it down with the screwdriver. So once you install it, now we have to place this scanner. So place it where you will find this section. There is one empty slot like structure, so place it here. And next is to place this scanner glass. So place it upside down, so it goes here like this, and this power section will go opposite on the other side. Just match it to the proper position and lock it. You can also double check if the scanner is installed properly or not. So we can see scanner is in its position. Now we can close it. So that's how it looks like after replacing. Next step is to place it here. So you will see it goes like this, and we have to reconnect these parts. So first we will reconnect this. So you just have to place it like this, with the shiny part just facing here. Do it carefully, don't break it. So one is done, and here is the second part. That's the blue one. And now we have to lift it. Lift it. Place your hand under this section and then install this as well. So just push it a little bit. So that is done, and now we can place it in its position, lock it. So you can just adjust it. Place the screws back here. Go to the other side. Make it upside down. Place these two screws. Put the paper tray back, this portion, just place it this side and then push this side down. Adjust it, it will lock itself. Next is to place this tray. So there are 3 screws to go in, and that will complete our cleaning, repair or replacement of the scanner bed. And in the same way, if your scanner glass is broken, you can also replace the scanner glass. So let's check the scanner. So we will just plug in the power cable and start the printer. So power is on. So scanner is in the position. So this way we can fix the scanner issue. Thanks for watching.